see about the new lesson, conservation of plants and animals. In the topic we are going to see about the deforestation. What do you mean by deforestation? It is nothing but cutting down of trees and plants. It is called deforestation, or we can call it as removal of plants and trees, or disturbing of plants and trees. It is called as deforestation. Because of deforestation, so many causes or so many consequences we are going to face is. What are the consequences we can see here? First one is agricultural expansion, then timber production, then cyclone. The next one is urbanization, construction of dams and winning. All these categories always depend upon the forest. Okay, this is a backbone, actually we can say, for all these work. Plants and trees are the backbone, or the forest are the backbone. So how far these people are disturbing the forest we are going to see here. The first one, if you see, the agricultural expansion. Agricultural expansion is nothing but for making some of the agricultural product like wooden product like axe or bull, to tie both the bulls together. Wooden materials are being used. For preparing that, the agricultural expansion purpose, the forests are being discarded or damaged or used. And overgrazing of animal also may leads to agricultural expansion process. Since day by day the populations are being increased, the food product also is needed, but instead and their usage also it has been increased. So automatically the man always focus on the forest for the destroying of plants and trees. Next one, if you see, the timber production. Timber production, it is nothing but the furniture material, for making the furniture material. Because if you see now, if you see the modern house, sometimes if you see the full and full the house will be made up of wooden particles, and some area with the cement and bricks, sand will be used, and only for the windows and door purpose they will go for the timber work, that is wooden particles. For making the sofa or doors or windows, most probably we will be utilizing the trees or the timber for our usage. So for this timber production, obviously we have to go and cut down the trees, or to damage the forest will be occurring. And next one, if you see, cyclone. In the cyclone, if you see, it is also one of the natural disaster, because cyclone, once if it occurs like a storm or cyclone, these natural disaster, what they will do is, when the rain or it is flushing over, at the time the trees and plants are not there. When it is deforestation occurs, means the plants are not there for the like a barrier, it won't function there because it has been removed. So automatically the plants or trees are not there to support or to stop their speed. So at that time, even some unhealthy plants also will be uprooted because of this cyclone, one thing. And second thing, if you see, the top soil will be removed. Along with the soil, the microorganism or the decomposers also will be destroyed because of this cyclone. So obviously we should not go for cutting down of trees, or we should not eradicate the forest. And next one, if you see, the urbanization process. Urbanization is nothing but the more lands are used for establishing the house and settlement purpose, and construction of roads and development of houses, and then the industries, and so many utensils are being used because of this urbanization process. So the usage of forest material or the plants and trees are utilized more in number when compared to the remaining causes. And next one, if you see, the construction of dams. Construction of dams are nothing but to store the supply of water. This is the only way. Constructing the dam is very important. But in the olden days, with the cements they have done it, and after that wooden particles they have used. And now if you see, so many metals are being used. So if it is required metal, means those ways we can go with the metal, and for a rare case we can go for the timber product for the construction of dams. So here we can manage ourselves, so no need of getting more timbers. And next one is minning. Minning is nothing but digging the soil or destroying the plants and trees for the minning process, like gold, silver, diamond. For this recovery, we will go for the minning process. Minning is always, it disturbs the soil as well as the trees and plants. So it should be avoided. So if all these things plays a major role for the cause of deforestation. Clear, children? So next we have come across the learn and write, that is question part. What is deforestation? I am going to explain the definition for this. and write in detail about the agricultural expansion, urbanization and cyclone. And next, if you see the cause of deforestation, you are going to give a notes on the construction of dams, timber production and mining. Clear children? Thank you.